Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Activetrail Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then you click on Install to choose an account where you want to install the app. Click on Continue and then you click on Allow and Install. Copy the custom menu link, switch back to the account, click on Settings, and then you click on Custom Menu Links under Settings. Click on Create New. Insert an icon and you give a title. Then you paste the link right over here. Choose a sidebar preference and you select an account. And choose a role-based visibility as well. Then click on Save. Once you're done with the custom menu link, switch to the account, search for the custom menu link, and you're going to see this interface with all the available apps. Search for the app itself and you click on Manage. Then the second interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey with the app. We have a smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. And we have the setup feature. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup and you'll be required an API key to complete your configuration. Head to the account online. Then you click on the integrations. Click on API and API keys. Head over to New and click on it. Then you give a sample name and you give a description. You choose an expiring date. Then you click on Save. A token pop-up will appear. Copy the token, head back to your account, and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. Your app will be successfully installed, configured, and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and our team will assist you promptly. And as well, you can schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. We have the Changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. Toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and click on Subscribe. You've now learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.